Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we have Gomphrena globalis, which is commonly called globe amarantha or Makhamali flower. It's one of the most beautiful flower and everyone can easily grow them at their homes. So let's begin the process. Here you can see I have a packet of Gomphrena or the Makhamali flower, and you can see the seeds over here. There are around 30 seeds, and you just spread the seeds in the garden bed. They are just stick together, so you need to separate them and spread them in the garden bed like that, and just cover them with the soil and water them up. So you need to keep them moist so that they can grow faster. After 15 days you can see that few of the Makhamali plants has grown up, and you can see they are quite healthy and they are growing well over here, but you need to keep watering them. After 30 days you can see plants has grown around 1 to 2 inch tall, and you can see number of leaves has appeared in them. So I'm going to transplant the plants which are more than 2 inch tall, which has more than 4 to 6 leaves, so they can be transferable. So the best time for transplanting is evening. I would recommend to transplant during evening when there would be no harsh sunlight till the time they will adjust in the soil by morning. So just transplant where you want to transplant them. I'm planning to transplant few in the bucket, so just placing 2 of the Makhamali plants in the bucket. I'm just using the normal garden soil and a little bit of compost for its better growth. You can see I have planted 2 of the plants inside the pot like this, transplanted 6 of the Makhamali plants over there, and just water them up thoroughly. Give them enough water so that they can absorb good amount of water by evening and sustain the tomorrow morning. So after 45 days, once they are well transplanted, I'm adding some compost so that they can grow healthier and faster. Checking after 60 days, you can see that they have grown very well. Huge number of leaves can be seen and the plants are really healthy. And the most important thing is that you need to water them thoroughly every time, and you need to keep the roots moist and don't let them dry out. If they dry out, then the plant cannot grow well, and you will have very less number of branching, and which ultimately give you less number of flowers. You can see over in the bucket they are growing in a nice way, and they have grown very tall, even more taller than they are in the ground. So checking after 90 days, you can see that the plants have even grown more taller, and you can see few of the flowers has started appearing. You can see the beautiful flower. Wow, it's just awesome. You can see it has grown very beautifully. Checking after 110 days or almost 3.5 months after planting, you can see huge numbers of flowers over here, and these flowers are very healthy and they last very long. They last more than a month. You can see the huge numbers of flowers are just appearing. They are growing really nice, and the plant seems very healthy over here. So in this way you can grow this Makhamali flower at your home. It's very easy and you don't have to do a lot of hard work. I hope you have learned how to grow this flower. If you have any queries, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you all. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.